If you've managed to score the ultimate 4x4 for you and your family, but you're feeling like there's a little something missing, not to worry. I've got the perfect solution for you. Cobra 4x4 electric tailgate locks. An absolute must-have for so many people out there, but let me run you through some of the features. One of the things that I really like about this is that you don't need a second or third or fourth remote. It all connects to your factory remote, so you're not adding on more weight into your car keys. Now the full kit includes everything you need, the full instructions for installation, your wiring, your control modules, your buttons, and these electric gas struts. And the security stop function, so if something in the way, it's totally okay. Magic. And last but not least, your internal button. Nice and easy, press a button, job done. So if you want to make your life easier, head over to ozbestdeals.com.au today and get your electric tailgate locks now.